So today we're doing a BMW FEM module with the ACDP. So this is the ACDP1, the base unit. It works from an app on your phone. This is the actual FEM module that we pulled out the car, and this is the DME, or the ECU that's in the engine bay. First, we're gonna read the DME ISN, which is the password for key programming. If you want to know what module you have to use, you can just Google the number right here. If it's a Bosch ECU, and Google will tell you what engine selection you need. We're gonna go BMW, DME ISN, bench mode read and write. It's a Bosch F series. F just pertains to the chassis. And then just like our little module says, we're gonna go down to N20. Read and write ISN. There's our VIN and our ISN. I usually take a screenshot and then I hit export. And I'm just gonna hit save. I'm gonna quit. And so we're done with that. Now we're gonna set up the FEM module. So I already have this taken apart. It usually comes like this with the fuses in it. And right on the plastic, it'll tell you where your connections are. So this is connection 8, this is connection 7. So that's how we're gonna line up this module. This module is just called the FEM BDC module. And we're gonna use this, the FEM BDC clip. There's your item number. And you can tell there's only 2 types. So FEM, that's what the module we're using. And these 2 holes are how you line up on your chip. There's your target device. So that's the plugin. We're gonna go FEM, EMO, FEM BDC F chassis. And then we're gonna go to mode 2, all keys lost. So we don't have any keys right now. The first step right here, FEM BDC initial programming, and then always try method 1. The initial screen that pops up on here shows you what key frequency you need. It shows us right there, 434. So that means we're gonna use, at least ours says 433. Doesn't make much of a difference. So the clip will tell us how our contacts are. So just like this, it's telling us we have poor contact. So what I'm just gonna do is go through, unhook the clip, clean off the chip, and then try it again. That's what it'll look like, and then it'll let you proceed. And this portion can take like 5 to 20 minutes. So we are pre-processed. And take our key, drop it in this coil right here. It's gonna ask us if we want to pre-process again. We don't. So now we're gonna go back, program key. It asks us, make sure we have the ISN. We got that at the beginning. Brand new key. I like a blue rocket because it is a virgin key that we sell here. And it says, make sure you've pre-processed. So I've done all that. It's asking for us our ISN. We're gonna hit import. So there's our date. That's the only one I've done today. There's our ISN. There's all our information. Hit OK. And then it's going to give us our key list. It's pretty much asking us where do we want to save our key. So I usually work my way backwards from 9. New key in the security coil. All right. So it says succeeded. And then it's going to check the key list one more time. Make sure your key's actually written in there. We're going to scroll down, key 9. So as long as you see something there instead of all F's, you're good. We hit exit. But essentially what we're going to do is put everything back together, insert our fuses back in our FEM, stick it back in the car, and there's a small little key coil. You would hold this key up to the key coil and hold the start button for 20 seconds. After that, the key is done.